So there's a question that I just don't know the answer to, and I'm not so sure anybody knows the answer to, but I'm leaving for 30 days, in about 4 days from now, and I'm not going to stop until I find the answer to this question. People have worked on this for eternity, and I don't think anybody's ever found out the answer to the question, what truly makes somebody anxiety-free? What truly makes somebody almost 100% calm? 4 days from now, I am flying from Salt Lake City to the East Coast. I'm going to rent a car, and I'm going to drive up and down the East Coast for about 30 days. I'm going to interview people that tell me that they're 100% calm and anxiety-free, or even 99%. We'll give them a little bit of slack there. But the point is, I'm going to interview people that tell me that they basically have no anxiety in their lives. And I'm going to find out what is it that makes them anxiety-free. Now, I know this channel is about microdosing magic mushrooms, microdosing psilocybin, LSD, to be anxiety-free, to be depression-free, and improve our lives. I know that. But you're here not necessarily to find out how to become the best microdoser in the world. You're here to find out how to become anxiety-free and depression-free. And this is my goal. I'm going to talk to people from all different walks of life. Professionals, janitors, people that I meet in coffee shops, maybe on a train, a bus, maybe a server in a restaurant, maybe somebody just on the street. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to try to talk to anybody that I can that tells me that they are basically anxiety-free. And we're going to start putting little pieces of this puzzle together. What are the common threads? What do these people share? What do they do every day, or what do they do in general that makes them anxiety-free? And by the end of the 30 days, I'm really hoping to have an answer to this. What I plan to do is put out a little short podcast episode every day, or almost every day of these 30 days, as much as I can. And I'm going to share what I find out when I talk to these people, when I interview them. And I want your help, because there might be some pieces to this puzzle, some common threads that maybe I don't even see. Maybe they're right there in front of me, but maybe I don't see them. And that's why I want your help as well. So it's going to be interactive. We're all going to help each other. And I really hope by the end of these 30 days, we're going to come up with an answer. What makes people anxiety-free? I mean, am I 100% sure? I can never be 100% of everything, but I'm going to try with all my might, every single thing I can do, everything I can put into this little 30-day study on the road, on the East Coast, to figure out why people are anxiety-free. And by the way, if you happen to be somewhere along the East Coast, shoot me a message. I can't promise this, but maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee or something and just chat for a few minutes. Again, no real promises. My schedule is going to be fairly busy with this project, but if we can work it out, I would love to meet you. That would be fantastic. There have been studies, there have been reports, there have been authors that claim they have the answer, but up until now, nobody really has the answer, because if they did, everybody would be anxiety-free. So I submit to you that this question has not been answered properly yet. Why and how do people lose all of their anxiety? But we are going to do everything we can to answer this over the next 30 days, starting this coming week. Are you going to join me? I'm going to try to keep them 5 minutes or less, because there's going to be a lot of information and a lot of things we need to put together, but we're going to do this together. And I am so excited. This is not a vacation. This is not a travel diary. This is real work. We're going to find out what makes people anxiety-free. Make sure you like, share, follow, subscribe, comment, whatever we need to do together, and get the answer to this question. Next week, the investigation begins. If you're curious, I invite you to ride shotgun with me. Ride with me together virtually. You'll feel like you're right there driving up and down the East Coast with me. We'll talk, we'll figure this out together, because I'm finally going to ask the right questions. And by the way, I forgot to say earlier, but if you're interested in cranking it up a little notch and joining us on Patreon, the link is always in the show notes. I'll see you next week from the front seat of my car.
Ride shotgun with me